In this video, we're looking at how you can view some stats from all the fishing trips you have submitted using the app. On the My Fishing page, you'll see a section called My Fishing Stats. On this page, you can see some basic details of the top 3 species you have caught. Tap View More or anywhere on the box to open up the full My Fishing Stats section. There is a filter function located at the top right of the page. This filter is set as a default to show all of your fishing stats from the last 12 months for whole boat catches. You can tap on the word Change to adjust the filter with a range of options for time, and you can also choose to view stats for your individual catches instead. If you choose a different filter setting, tap Apply. You will then see your stats for the whole page filtered by your selections. The first section of My Fishing Stats page shows you a summary of the total number of fish caught for all species, as well as your total numbers that were kept and released. The next section shows the top 3 species that you have caught for all of your filtered fishing trips. The coloured bars show a visual breakdown of the kept amounts in green versus the released amounts in blue for each species. If you tap on one of the species, you'll be taken to a page showing stats specific to that species. This includes the total number of the species as well as the split of kept and released. You can also see on a graph information about when you caught those fish, including the option to view the numbers by week, month, quarter or year. To learn more about the species, you can tap on the Details button in the top right corner of the page, and you'll be taken to the species page within the app to explore more interesting information. Tap the back button to return to the main fishing stats page. If you want to see the information for all the species you have caught in your fishing trips, not just your top 3, you can tap on the View More to see a list of all the species you have caught. You can then tap on a species card to see the species stats. Back on the main fishing stats page, the next section you can see is When Did I Catch My Fish? This graph shows you information about when you caught your fish, including the options to view the numbers by week, month, quarter or year. Each bar on the graph is coloured to show the amount kept in green and the amount released in blue. If you tap a bar on the graph, you'll be taken to the fishing trips section of the app. Here you will see a list of the fishing trips that relate to the time on the graph. Tap the back button to return to the main fishing stats page. The next section you can see is Where Did I Catch My Fish? This map will only display if you choose to add a fishing location to your fishing trips. You can see the large 30 by 30 nautical mile grids are highlighted in red, as well as the pins of any stocked impoundments or fads that were chosen as a fishing location. If you zoom in and tap on the red highlighted grids or pins, it will turn orange, and a box will pop up telling you how many times you have fished in that location, as well as the name of the stocked impoundment or fad. The final section of the fishing stats page shows the total number of depredated fish from your fishing trip records. The graph below this shows you information about when your fish were depredated, including the option to view the numbers by week, month, quarter or year. Each bar on the graph is coloured to show the total amount of depredation in green. If you tap on the bar on the graph, you'll be taken to the fishing trips section of the app. Here you will see a list of fishing trips that relate to that time on the graph. Tap the back button to return to the main stats page.